Hi everyone, this is my nephew and my son. If you want to follow them, this is their YouTube channel. So right now we're looking for the wood stud. So the wood that we're installing on the wall is cut at a 45-degree angle. This will lock with the back cushion. This one we're installing the bench seat only first, and this is with the Velcro underneath. So when we're gonna install the back, we're just gonna slide it downwards. And here's how the finished piece looks like.